Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to move messages to spam on Messenger. So launch Messenger application first. Now if you long tap on a conversation that you wish to put on spam, for instance like this, now you can see that there's no option to move this chat to spam. However, you can see other various options given here. Now, if you swipe the conversation towards the left-hand side like this and tap on more, you'll see the option of restrict. If you tap on it, you can see how this feature works. So at last, simply tap on the option of restrict with the name of the person. With that, you can see that this chat has been removed and has been stored to restricted chats. In order to check that, tap on the horizontal lines at the top left corner and go to gear icon again. From here, just simply tap on the option of privacy and safety. Now scroll down below and then simply tap on restricted accounts over here. Now tap on the account that you have restricted. Now over here you will see the option of unrestrict. You can unrestrict this person anytime you wish to. Now there's a folder on Messenger where you can see spam messages. Just tap on message requests. Now over here you can see the category of spam. Over here the messages will be stored from the people with whom you are not friends with. So due to the Messenger's new update, you won't be able to store your messages manually to spam. However, you can restrict them only. So that's it for today, and at last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.